Good morning, children. Welcome to your SST class. Today we are going to discuss chapter 11, How Our Villages Are Run. Children, for running anything, we need a government. Like our country has a government. In the same manner, our state has government. Similarly, our villages too have government. This is the picture of a village. But for the well-being of the village, for the proper functioning of all the activities in the village, a body is needed that is called government. So children, see, our country is run by a government. What do we call that government? We call it central government. It is made up of prime ministers and many chief ministers under it. For understanding it, let's take the example of our school. Children, in our school also there is a government. We have father principal, we have sisters, then teachers, manager, we have head boy, head girl. They all take care of the discipline of the school. Father principal and sisters make rules which are followed by other people like teachers as well as students. That whole makes a kind of government. Similarly, countries too have government, states have government, and villages too have government. And the government looks after all the activities of a country like armed forces, like transportation, like buses, service of buses, service of trains, and safety of the country, and many other things. But you know, children, as our country is very large, we have a billion of people in our country. So every government, every central government of a country needs help of other bodies which are made up of some people to run the country properly. Okay? Which can look after the things like medical facilities, like electric supply, like law and order, like education, and many other things in a country. So, the country has divided the government into many other bodies like the government of states and the government of villages. And today we are discussing as how our villages are run. Means we are going to discuss the government that runs a village. Is it clear to you all? And the government which runs a village or a town is called local government. Okay, as it is made up of common people of the village and town, and they take care of the need of the people of villages and towns. So in villages, the first government body that looks after the needs of the whole village is called Gram Panchayat. Gram Panchayat is the local government of a village. In the past, the Panchayat used to be of 5 village elders, and they took all the important decisions. Now, Panchayat has more than 5 members, and there are some women members also in the Panchayat. As you can see in the picture, a lady is sitting in the center of the meeting. So, in Gram Panchayat, at least 1/3 of the members are women members. And the head of the Gram Panchayat is called Sarpanch or Mukhiya. How a Gram Panchayat is formed? What are the things What kind of people are needed in forming the Gram Panchayat? Children, every large village or group of small villages has a Gram Sabha. And these villagers who are adults, means who are above 18 years of age, or who are 18 years or above 18 years, are can become the members of Gram Sabha. They meet, they discuss the matters of villages, and they decide what to do. And then they also elect one who is called the head of the Gram Panchayat is Sarpanch, Pradhan or Mukhya. That is the head of the Gram Panchayat. And what happens, children? For elections, as the country is divided into states, in the similarly Gram Panchayat area is also divided into a number of small areas in any village. And the people from every area, they vote to elect the member of Panchayat. Voting means they choose a member of their choice. They elect. They vote for that member. And for voting, a piece of paper where the names of all the people are written is given to the person. This paper is called ballot, and every person, means every voter, he marks his or her choice. He choose a person of his or her choice and then put that paper into the box. And the box where such kind of papers are kept, where the ballots are kept, that paper is called ballot, where the list is made of for all the people who are standing in the elections. And the box where such kind of ballots papers are put is called ballot box. In some places a voting machine is also used instead of ballot box. At the end of the voting, what happens? The votes are counted, and whoever gets the largest number of votes, that person wins and becomes the member of the Gram Panchayat. The member of Gram Panchayat are chosen for 5 years, and after 5 years again elections take place. It means the villagers vote again to choose a new Panchayat. That's the whole process. This is the voting process in which way the Gram Panchayat is formed. Is it clear to you, children? Now let us see what a Gram Panchayat does. There are many things, there are many needs of the people of the villages that are looked after by Gram Panchayat. Gram Panchayat tries to fulfill all the needs of the villagers. For example, it helps the villagers to get water, and for this it sets up tubewells, wells, and it digs many other tanks, and also looks after the functioning of all these things, that whether tubewell, wells, tanks are properly doing their function, they are filled with water, the water is clean, the supply is at proper time. All such activities are taken care by Gram Panchayat. It also keeps the village clean. It is the responsibility of Gram Panchayat. It sets many health centers in the villages, like dispensaries, small hospitals, and many people in our villages, in our country are not educated. They are illiterate. So to teach such villagers, Gram Panchayat sets up primary schools and many education centers in the schools where children as well as adults can study. It is a duty of Gram Panchayat to build roads and buildings in the villages. It also helps farmers in getting seeds and fertilizers. Fertilizers are chemicals. Fertilizers are kind of medicines that are mixed with the soil so that cropping can be done properly, so that it helps plants to grow properly. That is fertilizer, which are chemicals or medicines. In villages, Gram Panchayat looks after the street lighting and other electricity supply of the villages. It also tries to settle fight between the villages. If any time there is any dispute in the village, it is sought out by Gram Panchayat, by the members of Gram Panchayat, by Sarpanch and other members. It also keeps a list of the babies who are born and the people who die in the villages. And this helps in keeping the record of the population of the village. From where does Gram Panchayat get the money? Gram Panchayat get money to all these works from state government, and also it gets money from taxes which are implemented on houses, shops and fairs in the village. What is a tax, children? A tax is the money that is paid to the local, state or central government. The Gram Panchayat gets money from fees too. When the villagers, they sell anything, like they sell their land, their cattle and their other useful things, they have to pay a fee to the Gram Panchayat. And the Gram Sabha checks how the Gram Panchayat spends its money. Gram Sabha works over the Gram Panchayat to see that all the activities are done by Gram Panchayat are in the favor of villagers or not. So this is how the villages are run by Gram Panchayat. With this, the chapter ends, children. Thank you and happy reading.